So what I'm going to do in this video is show you how to set up gift cards. The gift card system is integrated between the point of sale systems and online, so you can set it up once and then add a link to your website, and then customers can purchase gift cards online or in store, and then they can use them online or in store. Now, this will cover the options of digital gift cards and physical gift cards briefly. You can find the gift card option in the menu in the Square dashboard under Payments, Gift Cards. Now, if it's not there, you need to go to More from Square and then find gift cards in the sections. It's under Payments and then click Set up gift cards. Either one works. It takes you to the same place either way. So what we do is we tell it to set up, and then what we're looking for is e-gift cards. So we want to configure e-gift cards. So go to e-gift card and then configure and click get started. What we'll do here is select the options of designs. You can also upload a design, but we're going to skip that. You can set the e-gift card amounts. You can set, so this is the predetermined amounts that people can just click and quickly load. And then you can also set the minimum load, say $10, and a maximum load of $1,000. Generally, you probably want your maximum load to be pretty high because you don't want to limit people. But if there's some reason in your business you don't want gift cards over a certain amount, then definitely set it here. Now, if you have a policy or information you need to communicate to your customer, such as it's only valid for certain products or non-sale products or something like that, then make sure you include this here. Once you've set this, click Finish, and you're mostly done. Now, we can also allow bulk gift card ordering. This is a good option if you're wanting customers to be able to order multiple gift cards for, say, a gift for their employees or something like that. But if there's some reason you don't want that enabled, then definitely disable that here. So we'll go through all these options briefly. So this option will let you sell e-gift cards in store. So it'll put an item on the point of sale system. So this is useful if someone wants to purchase a gift card, but you don't have any physical gift cards from Square, which we'll cover in just a moment. Then you can sell an e-gift card in store, but of course you can also sell it online. So we can turn off selling online as well if you just want to sell in store, but I'm going to leave this on because there's some more options. You can select a location that reports and it'll tell you. So by default, it's redeemable at all locations, but the reporting location just means where does this revenue get reported? So in your sales reports, it'll get included in the reports for the location that you select here. Now there's only one option here, so it's selected by default. Now this button takes you over to Square Marketing, and it will automatically add the gift card and select that, and it'll take you through a process to send an email about buying e-gift cards. Now the next option is the bulk ordering, which we covered briefly a moment ago. We can also show a link in public directories, such as Give and Get Local. This is a good thing to turn on if you want it to be available in those directories. It does get you maybe a little bit more traffic on your gift cards, but don't expect too much unless you do marketing on those platforms. Next, we have the active designs. So it shows us all the designs that are active. And then we can go back to that design area by clicking Manage Designs, and then we can add custom ones. I definitely recommend uploading your logo. Maybe if you have some other graphics for your business, definitely upload those so that people can purchase gift cards for like happy birthday or anything like that, but they can also purchase something that's branded. It's very helpful to have a branded gift card And you can even make multiple designs with your logo and your company name and add things like happy birthday or happy holidays, anything of that sort. So we'll X out of this because we didn't make any changes, and then we'll save all the changes. The next option is promotions. So this is related to coupon codes. So coupon codes don't sync between all of the systems. So you can have different coupon codes and promotions for Square Online, Square gift cards, Square for retail, Square appointments, Square for restaurants. All of the different systems have different coupon code systems. Now, this is annoying in some instances, but most of the time it's actually helpful. So that if you're running a discount, say a holiday discount, 25% off on your website, but you don't necessarily want those same discounts to be able to be applied to gift cards and to other products that you offer. So just keep this in mind, and if you do want that across systems, make sure that you set it up on all of your systems. So what I'll do is I'll create a promotion. So we can set the discount amount in dollars or percent. I'll set it as dollars. And then you can set the minimum load. So if you want to do $10 off $100 or more gift card, that's how you would set it. Or if you want to do, say, 10% off $100 or more. Now this does introduce another option of the maximum discount. So if you want to apply so what that means is 10% above $100, there's no inherent limit for that. So 10% of $100 is $10, but 10% of $100,000 is much more. So perhaps you don't want to lose that revenue, so maybe you set your maximum discount to $100 as well. So we'll go ahead and save this. And then we can enable and disable our promotion. This is useful if you want to constantly reward customers for purchasing larger gift cards. A great option is that $10 for $100 or more. Anything works here, and you can tell people about it. If you purchase a gift card of X amount more, then you get this much off. It's a great option to help, or not help, but to push customers to spend a little bit more on the gift cards because they get a little bit more value out of it. The next option here is the gift card promotion codes. So this is a coupon code. So what we're going to do is create the code. We'll do holiday 25 like I mentioned earlier. And then we can apply a percent or a dollar discount amount. I'll do 25%. Maximum discount of $100. Minimum load of, say, $100 as well. And then here you can select an expiration date. So then once you save this, it has your promotion code for only the gift cards. So if you want to set this up in your website, make sure you set that up separately. Now the next option here is the plastic gift cards. Now this requires that you order gift cards from Square. So we'll click on this order cards button, and then it opens another system, and they have different packs you can purchase, and it comes with unique codes that will work easily, and it's very easy to set up. But if you're just starting with gift cards, maybe don't do this right away and see if people buy the gift cards, and then if they want the plastic gift cards, if you think that there'll be demand for it, then go ahead and purchase some and get a plan or a pack that works for you. Now this next tab, the last one, is the settings. Now this is the settings that we set up earlier. So with the preload amounts, or rather the amounts that you can select easily, allow custom plastic gift card amounts, and these are all just the settings of various amounts in the policy. And if you do make any changes, if you don't want to save them, of course, click cancel. If you do want to save them, make sure you click that save button. Now this link up here at the top is the check balance link. So if you want to provide a link in an email or on your website to check the balance, make sure you copy this link and put it somewhere in the menu. Now on Square Online, it's very simple to add that link. what we can do is just go over to online, and I'll show you how to add that link to the navigation easily. So I'll go ahead and edit the site. And then what we'll do is we'll go up here, dismiss this, but we'll go up here to the top to navigation, and we can select navigation links, add navigation link, and we can link it to the gift cards just by selecting this and change the name that's on there, and then click save. And you can do that with any link. So for instance, this button here, I can edit where it goes to gift cards as well. So whenever you're putting in a link, if you want to link to a page, you do standard page or items or order online. If you want to do external, of course, that's here. So it's just like any of these other things, but it only has the one option of gift cards. And then that will link to your online gift card purchasing page automatically. Now, that's all the options for the gift cards. I hope that's helpful.